Okay, second graders, just go ahead and watch. This is a refresher on what we're doing. You don't need to write this. But today you're going to learn what you can do if you need to figure out a fraction of a whole number. A whole number is a number that is not a fraction. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. all the way to a million. Those are whole numbers. Fractions are parts of a whole number. So we're gonna do this story problem. We're gonna see if we can figure out a fraction of a whole number. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this, okay? Okay, so I fixed it. Tony reads 6 books. So I'm gonna look at that first number. I'm always gonna box that first number. 6 books. That tells me that I need to draw 6 books. I'm just gonna 6 books. 2/3 of the books are about animals. How many books are about animals? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at this bottom number. 3 is how many groups in all I need. So I'm gonna draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 6 is how many books. So I'm gonna put 1 dot in each circle until I get to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each circle should have an equal number of dots. Let's check. Yep, they each have 2. The last thing I'm gonna do, now I need to know what 2 of those 3 circles, how many dots that would be. So I'm gonna box 2 of those circles up. So now I'm gonna count how many circles are there all together. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gives me my answer to how many books there are about animals, and my answer is 4. So 2/3 of 6 equals 4. Let's go ahead and do the lesson together. Go to the inside. Okay, so it says use counters to solve, but I taught you to draw a picture. So number 1 they did already. It says 1/3 of 6 equals 2. Let's go ahead and go to number 2. Cindy sees 10 birds. 4/5 of the birds are yellow. How many yellow birds does Cindy see? So I'm going to look at that bottom number on my fractions, which is 5. That's how many equal groups I need to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Now, Cindy sees 10 birds. 10 is my whole number, so that's how many I'm going to put in each circle. I'm going to put 1 in each circle until I get to 10. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last step is the 4 and 4/5. That's how many I box up, because I'm only looking at 4/5. Okay, so 4/5 of 10, that's what I put here, equals what? So I need to count how many dots there are in boxed up, not circles, dots. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4/5 of 10 equals 8. Go to the next side. All right, number 3. Pete sees 15 parked cars. 2/3 of the cars are red. How many cars are red? So I know that I look at the bottom number and the fraction, and that tells me I'm going to draw to find out 2/3 of 15. 2/3 of 15, I'm going to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Now, how many am I going to put in each circle until I get to 15? I'm going to put 1 in each circle until I get to 15 to have equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They should all have an equal number. They should all have 5. Double check that they have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm not done. Now I need to look at this top number, and that's how many I box. So box that top number, 1, 2. And how many dots are there in that box? There are 5, 10. So 2/3 of 15 equals 10. All right, let's go to number 4. Joe has 12 pieces of fruit. 1/4 of the fruit are apples. How many apples does Joe have? So I'm going to do 1/4 of 12. So I look at the bottom number. That's how many boxes I draw, or circles I draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 12 is my whole number, so I'm going to put 1 in each circle, 1 dot in each circle till I get to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and now I need to look at this last number, the 1. Do you remember what we do with that? Yep, that's how many circles we box up, and look how many dots there are. So I only box up 1. How many dots are in that box? There are 3. So 1/4 of 12 equals 3. All right, number 5 and 6. Go ahead and do on your own. June picks 16 berries. 3/4 of the berries are strawberries. How many berries are strawberries? So it's going to be 3/4 of 16. The bottom number, that's how many boxes you draw. Boxes. Okay, 16. Put a dot in all until you get to 16. I guess these are circles. And the 3, remember, stands for how many circles you box up. So I'm going to draw 4 circles. Put 1 in each until I get to 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then I'm going to box up 3 of those to see, 1, 2, 3, how many dots are in each. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3/4 of 16 equals 12. Try number 6 on your own. This is the last one. There is no back. Hayden's class brings 14 snacks on a picnic. 5/7 of the snacks are oranges. How many snacks are oranges? So we're trying to find 5/7 of 14. You're going to draw 7 circles. Put 1 in each until you get to 14, and then box up the 5. That should count those dots, and that should be your answer. All right, when you are done, you may get on front row.